In the heart of Namibia, a nation rich in natural beauty and untapped potential, a groundbreaking initiative is taking root. Welcome to a story of innovation, empowerment, and sustainability. A story led by the United Nations Industrial Development Organization, UNIDO. This is the training program on renewable energy, agronomy, and green hydrogen for ammonium sulfate fertilizers. It's a bold step toward a greener, more inclusive future, where communities are empowered to shape their own destiny through cutting-edge green technologies. Namibia stands at a crossroads. With abundant sunlight and vast agricultural potential, the country is poised to lead in renewable energy and sustainable farming. But challenges like energy access, food security, and climate change demand innovative solutions. This is where UNIDO's training program comes in.
Today, I am Frank Mungunda. I'm here at Daura's Green Hydrogen Village. I'm one of the facilitators here for the Accelerate to Demonstrate program, which we are aiming to disseminate knowledge.
My name is Stefania Simasiko. I'm one of the instructors or trainers for this program. My responsibility is to help with the testing and the lab work for these next 10 days.
We're very excited to carry on with this program, and we're just wishing the students the best of luck.
The program is designed to bridge the gap between opportunity and action. By training individuals in renewable energy, modern agronomy, and green hydrogen technology, we're not just teaching skills, we're building a foundation for Namibia's sustainable future. Green hydrogen, a clean energy source, is at the core of this initiative. It's used to produce ammonium sulfate fertilizers, which boost agricultural yields without harming the environment. This program isn't just about technology, it's about creating jobs, enhancing food security, and combating climate change.